Bluetooth guys. Tapos sira yung kanyang audio IC. Ay, baliktad. Ito pala guys. Baliktad yung grounding natin guys. Okay naman yung supply niya guys. Meron namang 5 volts. Guys. Check natin guys. Power naman siya pero walang sound. Trubulin natin ito guys. Nakasira ito guys yung IC. Natin i-convert dito guys. Itong module guys. 5 volt supply din ito guys. Magkaiba lang kasi yung number niya guys. Kaya i-convert natin guys. Ito PAM8403. Ito ba guys. Ito yung number niya guys. Yan. Oop. Yan. Yan yung number niya guys. Try natin guys. Convert. Tanggalin muna natin yung IC niya guys. Yan. Yan guys. Init-init lang sa baba guys. Yan guys. Tingnan mo guys. Yan o. Hanggang na guys. Gandahan lang guys. Para hindi matuklap guys. Okay. Siraan guys yung IC. Okay. Ayun guys, nakabit ko na yung ating module, amplifier module guys. 5 volts lang yung supply nya guys. Bali isang speaker lang muna guys yung kinabit ko. Bali yung isa mamaya testing ko guys. So temporary na muna ito guys kasi wala pa tayong mahanap nito guys. O order pa tayo nito guys. Kaya sound check natin guys gamit itong USB. Kabit ko muna guys. At ayun guys, sound check. Ayun guys, okay na yung tunog niya. Pala model niya guys, XSP01 Tilex. So dito lang muna guys. Maganda talaga guys, orderan natin ito guys ng kanyang original na IC para bumalik yung kanyang original na tunog. Medyo mataas kasi yung specs nito guys, yung itong IC. So thanks for watching guys.